Welcome back to some business news. Ministry of Investments, Trade and Industry and the British Chamber of Commerce, Kenya, have signed a memorandum of understanding to promote market access and business integrity. Speaking at the signing event, PS for Investment Abubakar Hassan Abubakar noted that the MOU signing will help in driving Kenya's economic transformation, providing a framework for developing targeted strategies to build trust with Kenya's international trade partners.
Humanity is service. UK is a strategic partner, very valuable and dependent. What we have on this tool we are about to sign, it's about setting out the framework on how we are going to strengthen our relationship in terms of broadening and deepening our investment and trade relationship. And we are going to work in a coordinated approach and intervene in a very targeted and pragmatic approach.
As the UK Prime Minister's trade envoy to Kenya, can I congratulate the dynamism and dedication of the British Chamber of Commerce Kenya, but also the State Department for Investment Promotion in delivering this MOU with the support of the British High Commission in Kenya.
We have operationalized our one-stop shop, which is basically a space within Kenya Investment Authority, both physical and virtual, that supports investors with all their facilitation needs before they enter into the Kenyan market and post-establishment support. And within our one-stop center, we are able to support from inquiries on where to invest to setting up in Kenya, and that entire handholding of investors until they have set up their businesses in the country. And once they have settled, we provide post-establishment support.
Kenya Muslims National Advisory Council